Okay, you guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I put my juicer back together. How you guys like it. First we're going to put this part over here. We're going to put it right here. Like so. And after that, we're going to put this part. Goes like that. Turn it around to assemble itself. Then after that you put this sharp thing on it. We're going to run it a little bit, very carefully because it's very sharp. Then you use this tool. You put it right here where the two holes are. And then you twist it to the right until it is tight. Like so. Then you put this one, put this part, make sure these two borders over here are equal, and then you put this thing back up. Like so. This one to lock it. That locks it. And then you put this little part where you put the fruit down, like so. And then this one, all the leftover of the fruit is gonna be right here in this container. And this is how you put your juicer together. So I hope you guys like my video. And don't forget to visit Verimo where you can find everything that you need. And thank you very much for watching my video. And will you please not forget to rate and I really appreciate that so much.